Drop protection, scientifically proven to protect drop after drop from up to 12 feet, 3.6 meters. Effective protection. Our self-cleaning cases are made with materials developed in collaboration with BioCote. This formula is built into the case and gets to work within just 15 minutes, making sure your case is clean every time it's picked up. Slim profile, smart materials protect without the bulk. How it works. Patented ribs and high-performing impact material work together to absorb impact energy drop after drop. Top reviews from the United States. I cannot say enough good things about this cover. I have been hard on my phone cases working outdoors for many years. Although those vault-type cases were needed at the time, this now for me applies very well to a phone that stays in my pocket most of the day. This case is slim, but with great tactile feel. It has vibrant color, although it has its own translucent trait or sheerness to it. This also does not take damage easily to its finish. UV exposure has little if any effect in my case for sure. It does not change its durometer like hardening or softening of the material over time. I just could not be more happy with this product. If this was also made for my iPad, I could consider swapping out my other brand associated with a PNW Weasel currently in use with that item.